Yes, look at this problem statement. We need to write a program in order to count the number of occurrence of all characters within a string. Okay, so it means clearly if the string is apple, so how many occurrence of a is there? There is only one occurrence of a in the string. And if you observe p, there are two occurrences of p. So number of occurrences for p should be 2. And for L there is only one occurrence, and for E there is only one occurrence. So this is the expected outcome here. Okay, so how this can be solved? Okay, so the idea is basically I'll create an empty dictionary, so where I'll store key value pair notation, so where the key is representing a character in the string. Okay, and value is denoting the number of occurrence of that particular character. Okay, so let us implement the same example. Okay, so where I'm considering a string like this, let us suppose str1 is equal to, I'm taking the string as apple. Okay, now I'll take an empty dictionary. Okay, that is I'm trying to create an empty dictionary. So characters related dictionary, which is going to be an empty dictionary like this. Okay, now I'll iterate through the entire string str1 and start counting how many occurrence of that character in the entire string. Okay, so for character in str1, okay, count is equal to str1 dot. Okay, so how many times that particular character is appearing inside this str1? So name of the function is count function, and we'll pass this character as parameter here. Okay, now for each character you will get its corresponding occurrence, right? Okay, now let us update like this, character corresponding dictionary. Okay, and its character count should be taken here, right? Count. Now this loop is sufficient for each and every character in the entire string. So it will form a key value pair where key is representing the character and value is representing how many times the character is appearing in the entire string. Okay, now let us print the result. Okay, so result is clear. So we'll print the result called char dictionary. Okay, now let's run this code and see the result. Yes, you can see this result. Okay, so in the entire string called apple, a is appearing for one time, p is appearing for two times, l is appearing once, and e is appearing once. Okay, so this is how we can actually count the number of occurrence of all characters in the given string. Okay.